dog, bro. See if I get this out. About to have a bit of a journey here. Get out of town. It's actually stabbed me, bro. So today we're going to clean up around this dam just here with the rotary mower. See how we go, because I have no idea again what's under all of this. I could probably rotary mow this because it's not too crazy steep. We'll see how we go. If I need to go on the edges with the whippy, that's what we do. But let's tidy this up, get it done. This is gonna, who knows how long this is gonna take, but it's gonna look good once it's done. And then obviously once the par 3 is running, I'm probably gonna leave some long grass here, but I just wanna shape the dam a bit so it can be mowed if I want it to be. So that's why we're clearing it out now, so we can start shaping it soon. And mate, soon, this paddock here, which is our par 3 paddock, over here, green's gonna be over here. We're gonna start spraying it with some glyphosate, boy. And make sure this has some fuel in it. A little bit, not a lot. Bend your knees. So we put this on the highest setting here, which is already set to. This is a Super Swift, by the way. It's called the Big Bob. Guys at Central West Mowers organised this for me in town, so hey, see how this bad boy goes. Let's see if it starts first pull. Whoa. Nope. Come on, let's just do it here where there's not much grass. Come on, bro. I need to hop out of the way, brother. Tell you what, that is really, really tough with with that mower. It's doing it, but oh man, I'm stuck after like 4 passes. So I'm going to get the zero turn and go real slowly, put my seatbelt on, obviously the roll bar, and just give that a go. Let's give it a go. There doesn't seem to be any rocks in here. I've done a little walk through these areas. Man, this grass is long. This is ridiculous, up to my head nearly. And it's actually not too bad, so gonna risk it for the biscuit, man. bog down here. Woo! Snitty, we got bog. We got bog, bro. See if I get this out. I can't believe, mate, how much we got done there. Got it done. It was kind of freaky sometimes when you get over a little bump. If you just take it slow, it's fine. A little bit wet though. I threw quite a few areas. As you saw, I got bogged at the start, which is not really ideal, but that's just the way it sort of rolled. But done. So much better. So I did find a couple of spots. So there was a couple of stumps in here, which there's only like this one here. Obviously there was a decent tree here a very long time ago. You can see that just there. Now we had a few more stumps around here somewhere. I've lost them now, but lucky with the mower you could feel it on the deck as soon as you nicked anything, got close to anything. We didn't run over any rocks or anything. And that, honestly, that mower was so good. It was so much better than pushing that thing. I would have been here the whole day, I reckon. Because even the zero turn was choking down on some of that stuff on the higher settings. So yeah, very glad that I got that zero turn out and gave it a go. And now I know that it's safe under there, apart from those couple of stumps, which I'll probably remove anyway. I can come and mow this again, probably do it next week at some point, get a little bit lower. And then I probably want to level it out. Got to figure out the best way to do that. I'm thinking almost those power harrows or whatever they are might actually do the job pretty well. We'll see. We'll see. What a job. All done. Schnitty, you coming to say hello as soon as I'm finished? How do you know? Whoa, all done. That is ridiculous. Man, it does look so much better now. Like, it looks so much tidier. I'll be able to keep on top of it now that the thick of it's done. What do you reckon, Schnitty? You look good? Hey? Oh, it's time for some lunch. I reckon it is probably some time for some lunch, eh? What do you reckon? You hungry? Whoa! Hey. Back for another day, nice and early in the morning. Right now you can see the Kikuyu still got shade all over it. It tends to have that until around 11 o'clock. But it's looking good. Looking really good after that fert. So today, gonna rip a few things out of the yard, start tidying some stuff up, so we get an excavator, get some jobs done. Right, so today I'm cleaning up a few things in this area here. First thing is this old trough, which hasn't got irrigation to it anymore. It's all shut off and it's not even, let's just double check that though. No, nothing at all. Rip this out, rip out a stump over there as well. And then I think that's really about it in this area. Then we're gonna rip out some garden beds around something with this as well. But the reason I'm ripping out some stuff here is because potentially getting a robot mower to try out, which would be kind of cool. So I just want to clean out some junk so that the mower can just cruise around a bit easier. And it's fun using the excavator anyway to pull stuff out. Right, so next thing I'm going to do is pull all this stuff out from around these stone benches just here, because this Kikuyu just going absolutely crazy in it, and the kids are going crazy in it too. And it just looks ugly because the kids are rolling it, they're jumping it, they go nuts in it. And in summer, I'm a little bit scared there'd be some snakes in there because of the heat from the slate benchy things just here. Sorry, it's super windy at the moment. It's crazy. It's crazy. But you can see it's just a mess. It looks ugly. Heaps of Kikuyu in here. So it grows up through, and then panthers and all that other jazz. So we're just going to pull all this out, tidy it up. Well, look, this is where the kids jump, don't you? Show me, go. Oh, you're right. Tripped over, go. Yeah, see, that's why that bush looks like that. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of it. There goes your jumping bush. last thing to do is fill up the hole. So of what's around here, we pulled it all out. We got quite a lot out of there actually. Got all the bulbs out, I think. From here, dug down a little bit deeper in those areas where there's lots of bulbs. Pulled it all out in there, just need to get rid of that cock here in the corner there. But apart from that, tied it out, so I'm not really too scared about snakes or something being in there now because they've got nowhere to hide. Maybe under the bench, but it's a lot safer than what it was. Tied it up there as well. And yes, I did knock that down. Emma didn't like it. It's going to be in the way in the future when we start putting some grass out the back here as well and irrigating and stuff. So I didn't actually crush any of the blocks up, I just broke the mortar between them, so they are reusable. I could build them up again somewhere else on the property, but not today. That is all finished. Looks a lot better, in my opinion anyway. It was just looking a bit ratty with the kids jumping on it, as you guys saw. Smacking golf clubs and swords that I made them into it. Just going crazy, but yeah. Things coming along. Feels good to get some things tidied up, get that par 3 paddock on its way, getting ready for irrigation and construction. So if this wind dies down, I'm hopefully going to spray that paddock next week, if not the following week after, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, thanks guys so much, appreciate yous. I'll see you in the next vid.